Baseball Great is a 2009 young adult novel by American author Tim Green. It tells the story of 12-year-old Josh LeBlanc, the star batter for his local baseball team, the Mount Olympus Titans, as he strives to win his city's semi-pro championship. Along the way, he faces temptation from the team's owner and coach, Rocky Valentine, who encourages him to take steroids. LeBlanc must ultimately decide whether to use the performance-enhancing drug, known among players as gym candy, or rely on his natural talent. The novel explores the ethics of drug use, particularly among minors who have limited knowledge of or exposure to the industry. The story opens by introducing LeBlanc and his friends, Jaden and Benji. LeBlanc initially plays on his school's extracurricular baseball team, where Jaden, the school paper's reporter, publishes a glowing article praising his batting skills. Jaden predicts LeBlanc will help the team win the city's first ever U14 school championship. However, after LeBlanc's father takes a job with the semi-pro Titans, he encourages his son to join that team instead. Though disappointed to lose him, Jaden and their classmates understand LeBlanc's ambition to pursue professional baseball. LeBlanc tries out for the Titans with his father's support and expert coaching, earning a spot on the team. Yet he struggles to connect with his older teammates, who think he is too young for semi-pro play. They tease him and subject him to light hazing, but LeBlanc remains undeterred, focusing entirely on improving his game. During his free time, he reads to escape the distractions of his teammates' antics. One day, Coach Valentine introduces a new sports drink to the players. LeBlanc's father, acting as the team's salesperson, markets it to other teams and local stores. Valentine urges LeBlanc to drink it twice daily, promising extraordinary results. Despite its unpleasant taste and smell, and the fact that he is already a top batter, LeBlanc reluctantly complies. He leads the Titans to a tournament victory, solidifying his place on the team. Later, some teammates privately offer him gym candy, claiming it will further enhance his performance and asserting that Coach Valentine sanctioned its use. LeBlanc is torn, knowing that refusing could jeopardize his spot and his father's job. He turns to Jaden and Benji, who help him investigate the pills and discover they are steroids. Determined to uncover the truth, Jaden follows Coach Valentine and photographs him distributing the drugs. When Valentine realizes he's been caught, he pursues Jaden, prompting LeBlanc to rush to his friend's aid. At school, LeBlanc triggers the fire alarm to distract Valentine while the police arrive. Jaden hands over the incriminating photo as Valentine tries to flee, only to find that Benji has sabotaged his car tires. Valentine is arrested, and the Titans go on to win the Long Island Baseball Championship without the gym candy or their coach. A police investigation clears Mr. LeBlanc of any wrongdoing. He forms his own semi-pro team, with Josh as a star batter. LeBlanc also earns a spot in an elite Nike training program, receiving sponsorship and gear. In the end, LeBlanc finds satisfaction in rejecting shortcuts and achieving success through his own skill and dedication. Baseball Great reinforces the value of perseverance, integrity, and moral courage, showing that some shortcuts are never worth the cost. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe.